Namaste Ji. Welcome to Utsav Yoga. Today we will practice Prasarita Padottanasana. So that means the wide-legged spread pose. How do we do it? Standing on your mat, open your legs 4 to 5 feet according to your height. Make sure the weight is equally distributed between both your feet. Place your palm on your waist. Roll back your shoulders, open your chest. Bring your elbows closer to each other. Slowly inhale. Exhale, go down. Bring your palms in line with your feet. If you feel comfortable, slowly inhale. Exhale, go a little deeper. Try to straighten your back with every breath. Keep breathing. Long deep breaths in, deep breaths out. With every exhalation, go a little deeper. Slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Place your palms on your waist. Inhale, come up. Come back to Samsthiti. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Keep practicing and stay healthy. Namaste.